Position Punisher, a web agency in Scottsdale, Arizona. I do not own the rights to the music playing in the background. I have just nearly completed a brand new website. All right, we're going to take a look at it. We're going to jump into some really cool stuff here, folks. If you're not familiar uh, with artificial intelligence, uh, I use Open AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. Now, what does that mean? Uh, let me tell you, artificial intelligence is going to put marketers and a lot of other poorly created websites out of business. Will it do that? The answer is absolutely it will. Unless you're prepared, it definitely is smarter than us. So I've created a brand new website. I'm going to share it. Uh, entire screen. Okay, and here is the website. Now, I'm not in Las Vegas, but to create a website, you don't have to be anywhere. Okay. Now, for a Google Maps listing and some other relevant stuff, yes, you do. But for the sake of just showing off and showing that, yes, it does work, here we go. All right, let's remove some of this captions here. There we go. Now, here is the website here, just recently created. Now, as of today, I'm proud to say that OpenAI is on this website. All right. And how do you find it? Well, it's down here on the left, and you click that. All right. Now, I think my red James is in the way. Let's do something else. Different scene. Well, at any rate, you can go to my Facebook here, and it's the very first website right here, Las Vegas SEO Genius. But anyways, we're going to carry on as if you can see it. So here, all right, it's a little angry artificial intelligence guy. You'll click that. And you can honestly ask this thing anything. All right. Let's say I'm a garage door distributor selling half price remotes. And I want to write a sales letter to James to sell universal garage door remotes. Okay, so let's write that in there. And you're going to see how fast this fucking thing works. All right. Now down here, here we go. And this stuff is SEO optimized. Okay, I can even go up in here and write a sales letter or write a blog post that's SEO optimized for quote unquote Scottsdale garage door repair for a blog post of 1,000 words, and this fucking thing will go to town. And you think you need to hire another marketer? Okay, so let that example speak volumes. There's many more you can write. Uh, Banana bread recipe. It'll write it out for you. Um, Write a Facebook ad copy to sell JBL car audio by Sound Image for Phoenix, Arizona market. And that thing will write it for you. All right. So you can essentially have this tool and possess the many, many other options and powers it has. We can go on endlessly, but because it's created by one of many, but Elon Musk, who has allowed it to be open. Okay, that's why it's called open artificial intelligence. Um, it's to help folks discover, and it is the new and upcoming thing. If you don't have it on your website, you had best get it. Uh, Now, This website is nearly done. I have all my products over here. So we're going to jump off of this screen and we're going to show you what I'm going to guess about 85% of what web agencies don't do. Okay, now that the website is complete over here, all right, let's scroll up and note how fast this fucking thing loads. It's no joke. And it's not even done yet. When it is, I put my final touch on it. I'm very dialed in at what I do here. You don't have to believe me. You can just start Googling any one of my websites and you'll clearly know. But now we take this website that is created on WordPress. Okay, this is a WordPress website, and it's created on my dedicated server, which speaks volumes to all the search engines. Okay, then we're going to close this window and we're going to open up Google Search Console. So now that the website is done, you say, "Hey, Google, over here, brother. I want you to look at my fucking website." All right. And this is how you do that. Okay, stop sharing there. Start sharing here. Okay. Now here, I've instructed my web developer to add a meta tag. And so you guys know, Badal, his name is spelled Badal. You guys can always reach out to him. All right. He's my trusted employee, has been for going on 4+ years now. I'm very proud of his efforts. He's followed my dictation so well. I paid off his student loans. I've helped this man with laptops, with software to help where he lives and his village of folks. This is how you empower others. Okay. And it's what real leaders do. All right, you reach down, you help others. I can't do this alone, and I appreciate Badal. And when I'm unavailable, you can most certainly reach out to this young man because he is one badass just like me, and puts up with me. I demand excellence, and that's what I deliver. So here, what we're doing now, we're going to index this into Google. Okay, I've copied the URL, which is Las Vegas SEO Genius.com. And now we're going to tell Google, hey, index this motherfucker. So now you're telling Google, put this on your search engines. There you go. Ownership verified. Now, a lot of web agencies won't do this. Okay, you hear that noise in the background? That tells me that now it's indexed in Google. If you don't do this, all you have is a snazzy looking website. You, the business owner, don't know that in the background. It just looks like a big, shiny fucking turd. All right. And I promise you, a lot of, and I remember I said about 80 to 85% of agencies do not do this. If they index you in Google quickly, like I just did, okay, go to property. We're going to click this fucking thing. All right. We go over here to sitemaps. I'm going to put in some coding. sitmap.xml. And there it is. I got to turn down my messages because assholes be messaging at all times. All right. Now we've successfully submitted the sitemap. A sitemap is basically every page on your website. You're telling Google, I want this fucking thing indexed in there. Okay. So now, even though, remember I told you the website isn't done. Well, why would you do that? Okay, let me tell you why. Because Badal's going to be working on it in the next few days, and it encourages Google to see new things being done and re-crawl it. Okay, so those of you that don't do shit to your website, like blog posts, even once a month, guys. Okay, I encourage do it once a week. You're going to have Google recrawl your website. This shit really happens, man. I wouldn't be showing it to you. All right. Now, the only thing left I really want to go over, let's jump out of this. Stop sharing. There we go. It is the importance of the importance of how you can take over just by having this artificial intelligence on your website. Okay. First of all, as soon as Google crawls this and recognizes that it has the artificial intelligence and my competitors do not, because this is a brand new website, I am going to crush you guys in Las Vegas, a city where I'm not even at. I'm doing this to showboat and say, ha ha. For those of you that can't or won't do this, I promise you that this will work. Okay. Every website I create is already page one of Google, all of them. This is just an example of artificial intelligence because it's the first one I've done, with the utilizing the tools of what Elon Musk and his folks that have other folks that have developed it. I don't want to leave them out of it either. Uh, but I'm offering this to install it on your website. I'll have a pricing in a few days. Right now is just an education video. And it's going to be very affordable. I can tell you it'll be a one-time $500, and I'm going to figure out monthly what it will be to manage, and it will be under $100. Okay, folks. So it's not something that's unaffordable. The one-time cost $500 to have it for the lifetime of your website. So, what the value of understanding what open artificial intelligence and creating a safe intelligence, it's going to help your business. If you have this is why I'm creating the website, to showcase and show it so that you can see proof of it. And that's all I'm going to say for now. And enjoy the education and the growth from seeing is believing.